480 24p, take 5, still at the 4.8 f-stop. Okay, I'll pull back and tilt up. Hopefully this will be it. Tilt up more. Okay, into the shot, zoom in, zooming in. I'll just scoot down a little bit, and okay, widen that tad. That's the way it would be. I'm talking here, Father, Son, Holy Ghost, Father, Son, Holy Ghost. Okay, yeah, I just wanted to get a feel for this and the exposure mainly, and see how this whole thing is going to look should I decide to go this route and spend the extra money for the microphone. Okay, over and the lavalier and out.